Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you on the platform of Exampur. I am Sanjay Singh Tomar, your maths mentor, and I welcome you all in this very important guys strategy session for SSC CHSL 2022. As you know guys, the CHSL has come up guys. The CHSL is about to come. Its notification is expected to come on 6th of December. So are we prepared? How much we are prepared guys for the notification and for the examinations? Because as you know, nowadays SSC does not give that much of time after the notification is over. As we can see from the CGL, SSC after releasing the notification is taking the exam within the 2 months. So we can say if this happens in the CHSL as well, then it would be taking the examination in the February or March. So we should be beginning our preparation from today onwards. It is the high time. Okay, we cannot delay it too much because the syllabus of SSC CHSL is also a 4-month long syllabus. Okay. So whether you are preparing for CGL or whether you are preparing for CHSL, always make sure guys, you should be having 3 to 4 months at least to cover up the syllabus properly. Because if someone is saying it will take less than this, he is not correct. If someone is saying do a 1 hour, 1 year, 2 year as well, then also that is not worth. CHSL, CGL are syllabus completion. Syllabus completion before the examination is a journey of 3 to 4 to 5 months only. Okay. After syllabus completion, guys, then comes your part, the practice part. Which if you have time, then you can do more practice. If you don't have time, then you would be able to do less practice, but your concepts would be clear. So there is a good chance that you would be able to do good in the examination. Because once your syllabus is complete, you are equally in competition with others as well. Yeah, you are equally in the competition with others as well. Okay. So this is how the things happen. So because of this, we are planning to launch a CHSL 2022 batch. This is the expected. As you know, in the tier 1 of CGL, there was no change. So I'm expecting there would be no change in the CHSL tier 1 as well. 100 questions, 200 marks. Yeah. 100 questions, 200 marks. 100 questions, 200 marks. 100 questions, 200 marks, guys. No change over this is expected. It is going to remain the same. Yeah. What is the pattern? 100 questions, 25 each, 4 sections, 200 marks. Cutoff remains near about 130, 140 as you already know it. Cutoff remains about 130, 140, 120 depending upon the difficulty level. Depending upon the difficulty level of the exam, the cutoff varies significantly from 120 to 140. 120 to 140. Depending upon the shifts as well, guys. Some shifts are tricky, some are easy. So that varies, and after the normalization, it comes to a range of 120 to 140. Let us see, guys, what is the after doing a averaging of 3 to 4 years. After doing the averaging of 3 to 4 years, averaging of last 3 to 4 years, we came to the conclusion that questions expected are going to be in this range. From algebra, you can expect 3 to 4 questions in the examination. Algebra, guys, even the syllabus is less. We would be covering it in 5 to 6 classes in the very depth, so that no questions will remain outside the syllabus. Geometry, guys, 2 to 3 questions. Syllabus is little bit long, little bit more. But we have some important topics. So those important topics and other things, we can finish it in 5 to 7 classes. And we would be Or you can say 7 to 10 classes as well, because if we begin early, then I can offer you 7 to 10 classes as well. So we can finish it up this over there. Trigonometry, syllabus is less. Again, our weightage is good. Syllabus less. 5 classes, we will finish it from 0 to hero level. In 5 classes, we will finish it off from 0 to hero level. Okay. Number system. Syllabus is less comparatively, 2 questions. So we will finish it in 4 to 5 classes from 0 to hero. We can finish this topic, guys, from 0 to hero level in the 4 to 5 sessions or 4 to 5 classes. We would be reading the unit digit, divisibility, because questions comes from there only. Remainders and all. Now comes the arithmetic part. Arithmetic is consisting of 4 to 5 different topics. Percentage, profit and loss. They will give you 3 questions. Percentage, profit and loss will give you 2 to 3 questions. Average will give you 1 question. CISI can give you 2 questions. Time and work, time, speed, distance will also give you 2 to 3 questions. And others like mixture allegations, ratios can also give you 2 questions. So in this manner, this arithmetic portions will form approximately 4 to 6, 8, 8 or 2, 10, 11 questions. In this manner, this arithmetic portion will form 10 to 11 questions, which is a very good number, And this DI, 3 to 4 questions are also based on arithmetics. If you are good at arithmetics, then only you are good at data interpretation. Only if you are good at arithmetics, then only you are good at data interpretation. If you are not good at arithmetic, you are not good at data interpretation. Because data interpretation is the application of percentages, ratios and averages. So 3 core topic of arithmetic. 3 core topic of arithmetic: percentages, ratios and averages is used in the data interpretation. So only if you are good at these topics, then only you are good at data interpretation. So we can club this as well, about 13 to 14. So remaining 11 to 12 is the advanced portion. Remaining 11 to 12 is the advanced portion. This portion we call it as advanced portion. This portion we call it as advanced portion. So as you can say, 12, 12, 11, 12, 12, 13, 11, 12, 12, 13, 50% weightage, equal weightage, guys. Yeah, the things are changing over the years. Initially, it was arithmetic more, but now the things are changing. It is 50%. What is the scenario? 50% equal weightage of the advanced portion as well. If you talk to someone 2 to 3 years ago, your brothers who got selected, they will tell you, okay, advanced used to come lot at mains in CGL, but now it is equally coming at the pre-level as well. So these 4 topics, you cannot skip it in the beginning. Okay. Even there would be mensuration as well. 3 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 6 to 9, yeah, 2 to 3. Yeah. So now, guys, you can't skip the advanced portion as well. Okay, if I've included the number system over here, then I should be increasing this count to 12 to 13. Yeah, 12 to 13. So 12 to 13 from this portion. And from this portion, guys, again 13 to 14. 13 to 14. Obviously, yeah, to keep the count as 25. To keep the count as 25, I am taking the lower limits. Yeah. To keep the count at 25, I am taking the lower limits, with plus minus 1 deviation. With plus minus 1 deviation, not more than that. Only plus minus 1 deviation is there, not more than that. Okay. So you should be beginning the preparation, guys, in a very effective manner with us. We are launching the paid course of CHSL in the complete English language this time. Okay. And since it is the first this English medium course we are bringing in, so we have make sure that one of the best team will teach you. Those who are specialists of SSC examinations, those who are in the SSC online teaching for a couple of years, maybe more than 5 to 7 years, and across different platforms, dedicated team. Here I'm going to take the maths portion. Ankit sir is going to take the reasoning portion. Juhi ma'am is going to take the English portion. Then Deepmani sir science portion. Sasank sir is history and polity. Then you can say Milan sir geography, Devendra sir economics, Devendra sir static GK, Milan sir current affairs. So a big team, a huge team, a dedicated team. Yeah, a dedicated team, guys, will try to bring the success in the SSC CHSL 2022 examinations. These are the offerings. 450 hour of live classes. Obviously, this is an English medium batch, so English medium. Foundation live classes, class PDFs. Obviously, if it is written in the English in the class, obviously the annotated PDFs are in the English annotated. Daily practice papers, mock test series, sectional mock test, previous year paper questions, current affairs magazine. Yeah, wow. You will get the current affairs magazine as well, current affairs questions, instead doubt resolving by a Zoom session. Okay. So these are our offerings, guys, which will make this our CHSL batch worth, which will complete the syllabus on the time. And once you complete the syllabus, you would be exam ready. After the syllabus is complete, only 2 things remains. Is about doing some practice, and practicing sufficient questions. So guys, its demo classes have started. Demo classes of this batch are started. So whenever you should be you should be downloading the app. Inside which the paid courses are there. And you can see the demo batches over the CHSL batch over there. You can see the demo classes of the CHSL batch over there. Okay. You can see the demo classes of the CHSL batch over there. There are 4 to 5 demos of each and every topic. Okay. So you can just see that what is the quality of the content we are going to provide you. This is the way to download the app. Go to the Play Store. Type the Exampur, install the app, open it, register with the credentials, with your name, mobile number and all. Go in the SSC segment. Then inside SSC, go in the paid segment. You will find that CHSL batch. One is a bilingual batch and another is a pure English medium batch. Yeah? One is a bilingual batch, another is a pure English medium batch. So take care of yourself. Have a great time. I will see you in the next session.